Welcome to LIOC. This video is to show you how to apply to any of our programs. The first step is to go here and type lioc.org. And then you're going to click where it says Apply Now, which is to the right. This will take you to this link. If you're a first-time user, you're going to click where it says First-Time User Account Creation. And then you're going to type first name and then your last name. And don't forget to also type a numerical character. PIN, it has to be 6 digits. And you're going to type the same PIN again, verify PIN. And you're going to click Login. This, here you're going to find LIOC application, and you're going to click Continue. The term that you're applying is Spring 2019. Make sure you complete all the red asterisks. First name, last name, and you're going to click Fill Out Application. You're going to start from here. There's 9 categories that you have to complete. First one is name, and you're going to add this, the prefix. It's very important because if this is not complete, it's not going to let you submit the application. You're going to click on Continue, your address, city, state, New York, zip code, and your phone number. Make sure you entered the area code, and you complete, you only fill out the second box. This is for extension. So make sure just area code and your phone number. Click Continue. Let's see what I'm missing. So county, make sure you complete county as well. Suffolk County. Continue. You're gonna click Continue. It says if you're under the age of 21, you have to complete this. If you're older than 21, click on Continue. Here it says if your citizenship status, email, your social, make sure you complete all the red asterisks, like I said before. Are you a New York resident? Yes. If you have been in New York for less than 1 year, then you can type how many months you've been here. But to qualify for the programs, you need to be in New York State for more than a year. You're going to click Continue. If you graduated from high school, you're going to look up the by high school code. State, click here. City. And then it will populate the information right there. If you're a high school grad, you can say you're gonna type high school grad. If you only completed until 9th grade, then you will type 9. You're gonna click on continue again. If you have college credits, you attended college, you're gonna type the information there. Continue. And here you're gonna click the program that you are interested in taking. Let's say CNA. You're gonna click continue. This is the last part of the application. It asks for employment. So if you're working, yes, full-time or part-time. If you have children, yes. Your income, first name and last name of the contact, emergency contact, and phone number. Okay, after everything is complete, you're gonna click where it says application is complete. You're gonna read the terms and click I agree to the terms. And that's it. You are all done. That's how you complete an online application with LIOC.